Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing any apps that show the fake alert so you don't block removal. Once done, open Finder Right Arrow Applications, Right Arrow Utilities, Right Arrow Activity Monitor. This lets you find the offending process. Look for high CPU or unfamiliar names, those are likely culprits. If a process repeats after quitting, note its exact name. Make sure to keep a screenshot or jot the name. You'll need it for forced quit and to find files tied to that process. You force quit the malicious process immediately to stop notifications. Then in Finder, search the process name and reveal files in ~library and /library. Those often store launch agents or helpers. Delete matching +list files from launch agents and launch daemons and empty trash. Next, open System Settings Right Arrow Users and Groups Right Arrow Login Items and remove any unknown entries so the app cannot restart on boot. Once removed, restart your Mac to ensure the process does not. You finish by running a reputable scanner like Malwarebytes to catch residual files and quarantine threats. This verifies cleanup. Also reset browsers, remove suspicious extensions, clear cache, and restore default search engine to stop pop-up ads. If notifications persist, reboot into safe mode and repeat the deletion of +list and app files. Safe mode prevents relaunch. One troubleshooting tip: if the process keeps returning, create a new user account and inspect its login items. That reveals per-user launch agents you may have missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.